Hi YouTube, I got myself a stylus. So today we are looking at the Jot Pro capacitive touch stylus from Adonit. The reason why I got myself a stylus is because I'm looking for something that can record handwriting notes on my iPad. And the Jot Pro seems to be the one that does the trick. It prides itself by being the most precise tip on the market. And it's also won a Product Design Award this year in 2012. Taking a look through the packaging, there is a cap which you can screw on either ends of the Jot Pro. I have chosen a gunmetal color. There's a rubber grip, so it helps you hold the metal body without slipping off. At the very tip looks to be a ballpoint end. However, if you take a closer look at it, it sits on a clear plastic disc, so that helps protect your iPad. Looking at the back, it tells you there's a 45-degree drawing angle, so we'll take a look at the packaging again. Yep, there looks to be a 45-degree angle there. Its key features are precision disc. Being clear, what that means is if you ever lift off the stylus from the iPad, you can return to where you've left off and you haven't actually missed too much of where you left off. Unlike a rubber-ended stylus, it's hard to see where you've actually left off. The ballpoint feature means that because it sits on the disc as a ballpoint, there is a leeway of swivelness, so that helps with the comfortability as you write, so it just makes it more flexible. Magnetic cling, because it's got a metal body, it clings to the iPad, so if you're on a not a flat surface, and because the body's round, it can roll off the table, just clip it to the iPad. Compatibility. It's compatible with all capacitive touchscreens, iPads, iPhones, HTC, Samsung, Nokia, Motorola and BlackBerry. So basically it's compatible with most smart devices these days. What's more important is if I skip through the conditions and the fine point here where it says see Adonit.net for compatible screen protectors. Now there's reports that the Jot Pro is not compatible with certain screen protectors. Now I didn't actually look at this fine print when I purchased it for $39.99, so yeah, that's a hefty price for a stylus. But my screen protector is pretty generic anyway, so looking it up would have been no use. Okay, so let's open this baby up. Let's unbox. Oh, I almost stabbed myself there. Okay, this is not very good. Let's find a different way. Let's just rip it up. Yay. Let's get a sticker here. Geez, it's a bit hard to take off. Let's see if I can crack this open. It's toying with me. How's anyone supposed to open this up? Where's my trusty blade? Struggling. Edit mode. Oh, here we go. There we have it. There we have it, finally. Okay, so that's what the Adonit Jot Pro looks like out of the box. Let me turn it around this angle. And the tip. Yep. Take it out. It's really slick actually. Nice rubber feel. There you have it. The Jot Pro. Unboxed.